DocuStar, we're always looking for innovation because business has changed and our clients are asked to do more things with less resources. So we have to leverage technology, and the technology that is going to allow our clients to take what can be a very burdensome process and streamlining that.
We get out of meetings sometimes, customers ask us to do tasks that seemingly we've never done before. And with the breadth of talent that we have at DocuStar, we're able to do things that other companies find it difficult to do.
We are committed to providing to our customers the full execution on their communication strategies across all medias.
DocuStar at the highest level is a marketing communications company. We have three main areas of business within marketing resource management: our MarketHub Plus application, internet marketing with our ListRocket email marketing solutions, and then enterprise print management.
One of the things that I think makes DocuStar unique is our ability to marry back-end production with all the front-end technology and data that drives business today.
Well, my favorite thing to do at DocuStar is to get in front of the clients on a marketing strategy that they want to execute, and to be able to sit at the table with all the parties involved and work on that type of thing.
Gone are the days where one message fits everyone, because actually then it speaks to no one. So you have to find ways to reach people where they're at, how they want to be contacted, and how they want to be interacted.